Good morning students, welcome to your Mont 2 English class. Students, open book page number 7. Book page number 7 is here. Trace, write and color. Trace, sound, then write and color. Firstly, we will revise the sound. Let's revise. What's this? It's mango. It's mango. Monkey. Mirror. Mat. And this is mango. Now come to book page number 7. Milk. Milk. Mask. Moon. Now kids, you have to trace, then write and color. Let's trace. Go down, go up, hope and again hope. Go down, go up, hope and again hope. It's mango, moon, milk, mask, moon. Go down, go up, hope and again hope. Go down, hope and hope. Students, let's write sound here. Go down. Look here, we will start from the dot which is on second black line. Here's the first red line and here the second blue line. We will start from here. Go down, go up and hope and again hope. It's mango. Now let's write again. Start from the dot. Go down, go up, hope and again hope. Go down, go up, hope and again hope. Students, don't forget, हमने जो है वो स्टार्ट करना है यहाँ पर जो सेकंड ब्लू लाइन है वहाँ से, फर्स्ट में जो है वो रेड लाइन है उससे हमने जो है वो छोड़ना है एंड स्टार्ट करना है हमने सेकंड वाली ब्लू लाइन से, और हमने जो राइट करना है वो इन दोनों लाइंस के बीच में करना है. बिटवीन टू ब्लू लाइंस, हमने इन दोनों लाइंस के बीच में लिखना है मैंगो. Look here, here's the dot on blue line and we will write between two blue lines. Go down, go up, hope and again hope. It's mango. Okay kids, mango. 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 Now kids, it's certain you have to write mango on page number 7. Firstly, you have to trace here. Trace on first line mango, and then you have to write on page number 7, and in the last you have to color in the pictures. Look here, here's the milk, mask and moon. These are the 3 pictures you have to color in pictures. Allah Hafiz.